Hey everyone, welcome to Simplified BPSC. Today we will cover everything that you need to know about Khelo India Youth Games, which is very important for the upcoming 71st BPSC exam. So grab your notes and let's dive right in. Okay, so सबसे पहले what and when? When did it happen? The Khelo India Youth Games. It happened from 4th May to 15th May. Okay, so it was this 7th edition and it happened for 12 days, 27 sports disciplines जिन्होंने पार्ट लिया and total of 285 gold medals were awarded among different events. Okay, आप यहाँ पे भी देख सकते हैं, ये हमारा खेलो इंडिया ऐप का लोगो है. ये यूथ गेम्स बिहार में हुआ 4th से 15th मई के साथ और इसका जो थीम था इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट कैन बी आस्क्ड खेल के रंग बिहार के संग. ओके, the games were primarily hosted in Bihar, in which five different cities of the Bihar took place and hosted the various events. Which were those? We should always remember Patna, Gaya, Begusarai, Bhagalpur, and Rajgir. Can you tell me some important facts about any of these 5 cities? Please do comment below. Okay, going forward, कुछ events ऐसे भी थे, they take place in Delhi. Which were those? Cycling, shooting, and gymnasts. These three were the events which took place in Delhi and not Bihar. Okay, next, the mascot. For every event, there is always a mascot, and this time it is inspired by the ancient Indian mythology Gaj Simha, जिसमें गज का मतलब एलिफेंट होता है एंड लाइन का मतलब सिम्हा, मतलब लाइन को सिम्हा भी बोलते हैं, सिंह जिसको बोलते हैं. So this Gaj Simha, this is the mascot of the Khelo India Youth Games 2025. Okay. Next, we will go through the medal tally, which were the top 3 states which took place the first 3 spots of the medal tally. 3 states that took place the top 3 places of medal tally. First is Maharashtra, which grabbed 58 golds. Okay, Maharashtra topped the Khelo India Youth Games 5 times out of 7 editions. Second is Haryana, which grabbed 39 gold and 117 total medals. And third is Rajasthan, which took place in third position because it grabbed 24 golds and 60 total medals. तो अब हम लोग बिहार का परफॉर्मेंस देखेंगे. क्या हमने देख लिया कि महाराष्ट्र टॉप में है. Then Haryana we all know is the sports capital of the country and we have amazing players emerging out of that place. Okay, आगे बिहार का परफॉर्मेंस. बिहार परफॉर्मेंस दिस टाइम 7th एडिशन में 15th रहा था. जब 6th एडिशन हुआ था इट वॉज एट 21st पोजीशन, लेकिन इस बार इट गॉट टू बेटर एंड 15th पोजीशन. टोटल 7 गोल्ड मेडल्स मिले, 11 सिल्वर मेडल्स मिले, 18 ब्रॉन्ज मेडल्स मिले, टोटल 36 मेडल्स थे. ठीक है, इसको अगर आपको याद रखना हो तो 7 + 11 = 18. ये गोल्ड है, ये सिल्वर है और ये ब्रॉन्ज है. ओके, तो आप इसको ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं. आगे जो गोल्ड मेडल मिले 7, उसको हम लोग ब्रेक करते हैं तो 2 2 2 1 में मिला. ये थांगटा में था. थांगटा एक ट्रेडिशनल मार्शल आर्ट है जो कि मणिपुर से इमर्ज किया इसने. देन ये एथलेटिक्स में 2 हमें मिली. ठीक है, ये रग्बी में था एंड दिस वाज इन सेपाक टाकराव. ओके, दिस इज़ अ ट्रेडिशनल किकबॉल स्पोर्ट. अब हमें इम्पॉर्टेंट मेडल विनर्स को भी ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. दैट इज़ खुशी यादव एंड अलका सिंह. ओके, Khushi Yadav got gold in 2000 meter steeplechase and Alka Singh got gold in under 18 shot put. Okay, next. Now we will get to know what is the history of the Khelo India Youth Games. First it was launched in 2018 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi as Khelo India School Games. सो याद रखना है कि जब ये 2018 में लॉन्च हुआ था तो इसको खेलो इंडिया स्कूल गेम्स कहते थे. ओके, नाउ इन ईयर 2019 it its name got changed to खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स. ओके, स्कूल से यूथ पे आ गए क्योंकि हमने दोनों स्टूडेंट्स को इनकॉर्पोरेट किया है. स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स जो कि अंडर 17 होंगे, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स जो अंडर 21 होंगे. इसके साथ ही साथ 2019 में हमने एक ऐप भी लॉन्च किया टू प्रमोट द स्पोर्ट्स एंड फिटनेस, विच इज़ दिस वन. एंड we have already discussed how Maharashtra has been emerging majority winner. Okay, so out of 7 edition, 5 editions were won by Maharashtra. So 23, 24 and 25 तीनों time Maharashtra was the winner. And who were the host? 25 में we all know Bihar. Okay, 24 में Tamil Nadu and 23 में MP. Okay, with this we have come to the end of today's segment. Do like, share and subscribe. Please comment with any topic that you want to be covered next. We will bring short series and to the point and crisp details. Okay, thank you very much.